So hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So today the video topic is about on social media, how social media is destroying your life. Today I will give you with example how I too got distracted by social media. Before 2 3 months, social media means social media apps like this Instagram, Snapchat, etc. etc. I was using Instagram 2 3 months before. I was just scrolling and just seeing every day. I was just wasting my time. So I deleted my Instagram for 2 3 months. Then my I was improving day by day. My productivity was increasing. I was doing my task on time with proper focus. But so for experience, when my test unit test got over, I decided to install again Instagram. So past 1 week I have installed my Instagram account. So my before that my average screen timing was just 3 to 4 hours per day average. Means highest it was 5 hours, but average it was 4 to 5 hours, 4 3 to 4 hours. But after installing Instagram, I was not having control over my mind. I was just seeing Instagram reels, this stories, etc., etc., etc. I was just spending my whole day in that app itself only. So my screen time also has increased so much. The average it was 3 to 4 hours. Now it is 7 to 8 hours, I think so. Yeah, 7 to 8 hours. In that 2 to 3 hours was only Instagram. And what I was doing, just scrolling, just getting pleasure myself, seeing reels, just getting addicted. How my mind got distracted by that one app. Just in, after 2 3 months also I've installed it, and I got just this much distraction by this app. How much power that app could have you can imagine. You too have see, you can also see your per day screen time, how much time you spend on Instagram. See, if you are not an influencer, then don't use social media apps, just delete them, uninstall them. And if you are influencer, then it is your duty. You get your income from that app, or you have your dreams on that, you want to become an influencer, then you can use. But you are not doing anything on that, just doing scrolling and wasting your time, then it is not right thing. So delete it. Or if you are not getting any benefit from that, please delete it. It is just waste of time. I am telling with my personal experience too. It will destroy your life. See, if I will with the example I will say, if you are, see, you are all our viewers. If anybody say you, if I will say you, if anybody says to you to, see, if anybody say you to do his task in free of cost, will you agree to do that task? You will say something to him, and you will split on him. But what if I will tell you, if why are you just seeing Instagram, and that the company owner or the app owner is making millions or billions of money? By your contribution he is making money. You can understand. Just what you will think, I will get do something, or I will scroll. But he is making money, you are not getting any benefit from you. So you are giving your free service to him. You are servant of him. The app have control over your mind. You don't have any control over your mind. You reduce your creativity. You can't think out of the box. You just go into schools. If your friends tell, oh, that reels you saw, that influencer, see how she is and how he is, you get some force and you open it, and you just seeing them. You're wasting your time, you're not improving yourself. See, I will tell, if you are want to do anything in your life to achieve something, please uninstall all these social media apps. Don't maintain that Snapchat strikes and all. In my class, each and every friends, whatever, see, you may be boy, girl, anything, they will maintain a strike. They will not forget to break the strike. Every day they will be sending from. I saw highest from my friend, it was 2 to 3 years. Means how much day it was, I don't know. About 1,000 day it was. Means 2 to 3 years they are maintaining that strike. See, it is not the friendship bond. They are just what they will got, I don't know. I too have done all these things, but I have completely deleted it. Deleted means thrown out of my life. If I have money, if I have goals big, I will use them, or else not. And third point is about on what I was saying. If you have to learn anything, if you are free to scroll, just instead of it, you can go to YouTube. You can watch free course which you are interested in. Uh, Interested means what do you want to do in your life? What do you, if you want to do something, how to improve your skills, how you can use computer if you don't know, how can you do some free of courses like Excel, Java, Python, etc., etc., etc. See, after deleting Instagram, I have learned this 2 to 3 courses in 2 3 months. Like I have learned Excel, I have learned graphic designing, not fully advanced. I have learned some basics, how to do the basic graphic designing. I have learned how to make thumbnail, how to do video editing, and yeah, this much. And I'm still improving it. I can use chat gpt properly, I can use any this AI tools. See my video, this thumbnail, what you will see, I download it from AI. I will give command to AI and then I will learn. And I'm now learning course of this English speaking course is already going on my channel. Then I am learning this stock market. I will going to learn about stock market. Like this I can improve my skills instead of wasting my time like that and all.